What's going on, everyone? My name's Tweet. This is my pet name Charmander, and welcome back to a brand new drawing video. Now today we're going to be actually cooking up something very nice that I have been waiting to release for a very long time, and that is Let's Draw Your CAC. And today we have none other than my friend, personal friend, very close friend, BDK, aka Resurrected Gaming. His link will be down in the description down below. He's a Xenoverse player. Now, he actually asked me to draw his CAC from Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2, and I was more than happy to actually recreate this drawing because I did do this drawing a couple years ago. Was it a couple years ago? I think it was a couple years ago. Nonetheless, I actually do like the way this actually turned out, actually way more than I expected to. And I hope you guys do too. So I'm not gonna say too much about it. I'm not gonna commentate on this one. This is another drawing that I actually do want you guys to enjoy to the fullest, and you know, and everything. So yeah, but of course, nonetheless, I will be coming back until the very end to give you some crystal clear photos and actually my closing remarks and my choices and everything like that. So no worries, I'm gonna be back at the very end. So I'm gonna let you guys enjoy it, and yeah, let's go ahead and get started.
Guys, if you made it this far into the video, make sure you Shinobi strike that like button down below. It does give me a feedback on if you like these kind of videos or not. If you got a comment on the drawing itself or just in general, make sure you comment down below. I will be reading your comments so you can interact with everyone in the comments and also myself. Now, just a few words on this drawing before we end the video. This drawing was actually very, very fun to do. I had a blast actually drawing it. And the Shenron in the background was a last minute decision. I just wanted something to complement the main character. I mean, I draw CACs all the time, but a background that complemented the character itself, I never really actually done. And I had to sit down and actually think, you know, what can I do to complement this character? Because it's such a good drawing, but you know, what can I add more? And Shenron was the first thing that popped up in my mind, and I was a little bit scared to do it, but as time went forward, I actually got comfortable with drawing Shenron, and it was actually really fun to do, really fun to color. I mean, it was long. I'm not gonna sit here and lie. It was a long process, but nonetheless, I had fun doing it. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. I mean, hope you guys like it. I mean, you know. By the way, I'm not doing face cam on this outro because I am in my PJs and it is Sunday and I am very chill right now. So yeah. But nonetheless, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. And as I always say, well, from me and Charlie, because we're both in our PJs right now, and as we always say, peace and sayonara.